In the realm of police interrogations, the good cop/bad cop technique has become a well-known strategy employed by law enforcement to extract information from suspects. This psychological game involves two interrogators assuming contrasting roles. One plays the sympathetic, understanding good cop, while the other adopts an aggressive, confrontational bad cop persona. The aim is to manipulate the suspect's emotions and create a sense of trust and reliance on the good cop while instilling fear and intimidation through the bad cop. In this article, we will delve deeper into the good cop/bad cop technique, its underlying principles, and its potential impact on suspects. Establishing trust through empathy. The good cop role is designed to establish a rapport with the suspect by showing empathy, understanding, and a willingness to help. This approach aims to create a sense of trust and cooperation, making the suspect more inclined to disclose information willingly. The good cop may offer reassurances, sympathize with the suspect's situation, and present themselves as a potential ally. Applying pressure through intimidation. Conversely, the bad cop role takes on an aggressive and confrontational approach. This interrogator uses intimidation tactics such as raised voices, aggressive body language, and harsh accusations. The purpose is to make the suspect feel vulnerable, fearful, and more likely to divulge information to alleviate the pressure and regain a sense of control. Creating a sense of polarization. The stark contrast between the two interrogators plays a significant role in the good cop/bad cop technique. By alternating between the sympathetic good cop and the aggressive bad cop, the suspect experiences a heightened emotional roller coaster. This emotional fluctuation can lead to confusion, making it more challenging for the suspect to maintain a consistent narrative or withhold information. Leveraging the contrast for manipulation. The dynamic between the good cop and the bad cop can manipulate the suspect's perception of their situation. The sudden shift from aggression to empathy can create a sense of relief and gratitude towards the good cop. This emotional response may lead the suspect to believe that cooperation with the good cop is in their best interest, even if it means divulging incriminating information. Exploiting cognitive dissonance. The good cop/bad cop technique also capitalizes on the psychological principle of cognitive dissonance. When faced with contradictory attitudes and behaviors from the interrogators, the suspect may experience internal conflict, seeking to resolve the inconsistency. In this state of dissonance, the suspect might be more susceptible to complying with the good cop in an attempt to align their actions with the perception of a helpful authority figure. Psychological fatigue and vulnerability. Extended interrogation sessions employing the good cop/bad cop technique can induce psychological fatigue in the suspect. The constant oscillation between emotional states can drain mental energy, impair judgment, and erode resistance. In this depleted state, the suspect may become more vulnerable to suggestive questioning and manipulation, increasing the likelihood of providing incriminating information. The good cop/bad cop interrogation technique is a psychological game aimed at exploiting the emotions and vulnerabilities of suspects. By alternating between empathetic and aggressive approaches, law enforcement seeks to elicit information and secure confessions. It is crucial to recognize the inherent psychological manipulation at play and consider seeking legal counsel to ensure a fair and just process.